Welcome. Today I am making some oatmeal cookies. I have 1 cup of softened butter, unsalted, a cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And we are gonna mix these together. Now I'm gonna add my eggs. 2 eggs, I'm gonna add 1 at a time. I'm gonna add the other egg. Give it a scrape down. Adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 2 teaspoons rather, and a tablespoon of molasses. But another swirl. Combine my dry ingredients. I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Let's add our dry ingredients, starting with the flour. Start your mixer slowly. 3 cups of rolled oats. Actually, slowly once again. Now we're going to add a cup of raisins. And about 3/4 cups. Mix these together. Okay. Okay. They are going to go into the refrigerator to chill, and then we'll put them in the oven to bake. "30 minutes has elapsed since these have been in the refrigerator, so now we're going to put them in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for approximately 12 to 14 minutes, or until they're golden brown. So into the oven. There you go. Here are my cookies. They are done. They are pretty delicious. I've had one already. It's nice and chewy and very good. So here's a pro tip. If your cookies spread a little bit too much, you can fix it. You can fix it immediately after you take it out of the oven. You just gather it up, and then you would use probably a spatula and a knife and gather it up. Then you would put this over it and just a cookie cutter, one of these or whatever shape you have that works for you. So you can just bring it together and make it into a beautiful cookie. So do not despair, because that happened to me before and I was so disappointed. However, After doing some research, I found out that this tip I'm giving you works. Here's a living proof. These didn't come out the way I expected. They spread a little bit too much for me. So I just gathered them together and I use my cookie cutter and just, this is all you do. And round the edges and voila, you have some beautiful cookies. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for your time. If you could please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.